In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Most of you are aware of it, and but let me take you to through one step by step. And what are the important settings that we shall make while we are scheduling a Zoom meeting? Could be useful for anyone at any time. So let's. I've just logged in with the paid version of a Zoom account. So after reaching home page, you will see a schedule meeting on the top. When you tap on schedule meeting, so it brings you to this screen here where I need to give my title. Let's say I'm creating for a webinar on significance of online learning. So if you have to give any description, I can give there maybe by description about the uh, guest speaker or any other description. For now, I'm not giving anything. Let me select the date. Suppose this schedule is on Friday at 6 p.m. for 1 hour. And most importantly, make sure that your time zone is GMT plus 5:30. Sometimes it might be taking GMT minus 6:30 or minus 5:30. Make sure that it is GMT plus 5:30. One of the important setting that you need to look up. By default, it will give you GMT plus 5:30, but make sure whether it is reflecting or not. Moving on, you need not to check this radio button. You need not to check this as well. So if you want to keep people in waiting room, you can activate this. Otherwise, you can deactivate this radio button. So I want people to be in waiting room before we uh, have a discussion with guest and settings and set other things. So until then, I want people to wait in the waiting room. So I'm checking this box. I'm not changing anything here. So video of host. So I want it to be on when a host is joining meeting. Let his video or her video be on, and I don't touch any of these settings. Just perfectly all right for me. And in the meeting options, I make sure that I check this option, mute participants upon entry, because if you check this, you need not to inform participants to mute themselves. Okay, and don't check any of these uh, option on the first. Enable join before host. We don't allow people to start the meeting before host starts meeting. Only authenticated users can join. Nothing relevant for our needs. Request permission to unmute participants. This option here makes if I check this, it will um allow participants to unmute themselves by themselves without my permission. I don't want to do that since it's a webinar, and I automatically recorded meeting. I want it to be recorded. So let's say you can record it on the local desktop or laptop, PC or laptop, or you can record it on the cloud. So I am choosing to be recording on the local computer. From which device host is starting this meeting? Host, not co-host. In that particular device, the entire session will be recorded and saved. That's it. Meeting is scheduled with the settings that I want to make. I want to, I want to activate based on our needs. As per the needs, you can change, you can keep on changing that. So how to share the link with the people who want to join. So once you save it, it will again remain in the same screen. Here you can find the copy invitation. Just tap on that. Just take the just copy this section here. That's it. You need not to take all this. Still the passcode you can take it and then you can cancel it. You can paste that thing anywhere that you wanted to paste and forward it to the people. So, since most of you would like to give the sessions, I mean, make the session live either on Facebook or on YouTube. So, after you schedule, make sure that uh, the Zoom settings are made properly or not. Let me take you there. How do you make sure whether the your respective Zoom account is been activated with live streaming option or not? Go to settings on the left pane. Tap on advanced, in meeting advanced here. So it brings you down all the way where you can find, yeah, hello live streaming meetings. I have checked it. I have turned this push button on. If it is off, turn it on and activate all these options. So one thing that you can need to remember, you can live stream from any one source. Either you can live stream on Facebook or you can live stream on YouTube. I have made another video how to live stream on Facebook and how to live stream on YouTube. You can watch those videos if you want to know about those settings as well. So I need not to save these things as these settings get saved automatically. So I have created a schedule, copied the link, copied the meeting ID, and I have make sure that my Zoom account is has been activated with live streaming. So hope this video serves the purpose. Will enable anyone, even a fifth grade student, would be able to do live streaming and handle these things. These are just very simple things. I mean, these are not rocket science. So no credits to anyone, even to me.